Assalamu alaikum snipers. I hope everyone is doing good out there. All right, Bitcoin review. In my previous video, I've mentioned that Bitcoin is not going to make a new low, and the lows were already in. There were many lows which were taken out, and the highs were secured. So I gave my analysis that I am favoring the upside above these highs. Out of these highs, two are already taken. 49k I gave the first number, and second number I gave it was around 53 250 I guess. I gave that few days back, और उसमें मैंने कहा था कि I think above 49 above 49k I'm looking into 53 250, which is around this red line. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is trading here, and I think next upside objective near term is this high and then this blue line 51,984 or thereabouts, and after that it could expand into this red, but that's not necessary. And right now if you see that we are in a holiday season, and the volumes are pretty much low right now. The last 24-hour volumes in Binance itself is around 1.4 billion. That is quite low for a very major move. So if it goes up, maybe from here or maybe from there, if it's going up and suddenly drop down and come back all the way down to here, I wouldn't be surprised, because it's a holiday season. We are going into an year end, so Christmas is there, winter vacations are there, New Year is there. Most of the world is into holiday mode. Most of the companies, the traders, the funds, the hedge funds, most of the big money, smart money is not really active these days. So there are less volume, and you might have already seen the alts are moving on very less volume. Like जिनका 10 15 20 वॉल्यूम भी है, वो भी समटाइम ऊपर चले जाते हैं और then they start melting down. So expect this kind of behavior. Do not expect too much run in any direction during these days. Do not expect like $20,000 run on Bitcoin on either side. इतना लंबा इन दोनों एक्सपेक्ट ना करें. Keep in your mind that it could do back and forth. It could come back, go up, come back all the way down, then go up, come back all the way down, and overall it will try to remain within this area. If it goes up, it's better that you take out profit, because most likely it will come down. It won't keep trending during these days. But once we move into the first week of January, the market will start taking its direction, the direction that will sustain, for a period of time. So right now अभी बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट ना करें मार्केट से, ऑल्दो it has given some nice bounce here, came back up, but it could go back down easily also. So this range is its consider it like its home ground, no? It could go up, come down, go up, come down, and ऐसे ऊपर नीचे रेंज में घूमना फिरना does not mean anything significant. इसका कोई बहुत ज़्यादा कोई बहुत ज़्यादा मीनिंगफुल चीज़ भी नहीं है ये, ऊपर नीचे घूमना ना. इससे आप बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ कोई डायरेक्शन का बहुत ज़्यादा एंटिसिपेट भी नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सीजनैलिटी. लास्ट ईयर December was not that dull, because crypto was on the recovering phase, और वो मार्केट बिल्कुल ऊपर आ रही थी, इट वॉज ट्रेंडिंग. बट राइट नाउ इट्स प्रिटी मच डल, लो वॉल्यूम, ड्राई वॉल्यूम. मोस्ट ऑफ द आइटम्स आर बिलो 100 मिलियन, एंड बिलो 10 मिलियन भी बहुत सारे ऑल्ट्स हैं. सो इट्स ड्राई, small candles, small move up, small move down, no aggressive move on either side. But yes, it could it is it is quite logical to go into this blue area and then it may extend into this area. But again, after doing so it might drop, or it might drop before doing that and then again go up and do that. But इसमें sudden drops, sudden up moves, drops, up moves, they are part of this type of consolidation. They are part of this type of range bound environment. So if it drops, do not expect that we are going to crash into 30k. And if it is going like this up, do not expect that we are going to 80k during these days. Once we pass through, once we move into transition into new year, that is 2022, then after first week you will start seeing some direction hopefully. And then we could say something more realistic कि भाई ये किसी साइड पे जा सकता है. So अभी whatever position you take, when it goes in your favor, take profit, get out. Then most likely it will give you entry again, और वो ऊपर नीचे होता रहेगा. So do not get frustrated, do not kill yourself, do not over trade. और इसमें यही चीज़ समझने की होती है, जो थोड़े तजुर्बे के बाद आपको समझ में आएगी कि ऐसे इन्वायरमेंट के साथ यू कैन नॉट फाइट. इफ़ यू ट्राई टू गो टू हार्ड ऑन दिस एंड ट्राई टू recover, try to make too much out of it, you'll most probably lose the existing money also. So up till my next update, take care.